Hello, YCMOU students. Welcome back to the channel. Assessment registration. Type in browser search tab. Oasis, YCMOU login means Yashwantarao Shivan Maharashtra Open University. Click to register option. Enter your PRN number. PRN. Check in your SMS inbox or Gmail inbox. Click Verify button. After the Click Verify button, enter your mobile number. Click Send OTP. Enter your OTP. Click Submit button. After this option is Change Password. Enter in current password. Your full birth date in like below format. And enter new password. Re-enter confirm password. Click Update Password button. Password changed successfully. After change password successfully, you'll return to home page. Enter your PRN number. Enter your password. Click Sign In button. Check your details, like your PRN number, your name, your mobile number, email ID, your study center. Click to My Assignments. Click to download all question papers. Download this. After that, your download booklet means your answer paper with subject code your PRN number. Open all your answer paper. Like this. Check your details. Your PRN number, your name, your mobile number, email ID, your study center. Your question paper, with all detail, like marks, number of question, how to write answer on paper.